I am a cancer specialist at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram. It has been the human mankind's conquest to conquer cancers, and we have been finding out many more newer mechanisms in quest of beating cancers and living longer even you are suffering from cancers. In that quest, many of the antioxidants have proven beneficial in this inhibiting the cancers at various stages. The idealistic way would have been that this cancer should not occur. A newer product, gamma oryzanol, has been found out to be effective as an antioxidant which comes from rice bran in preventing the cancers if taken for a long period. How does it act? It has been a mystery that our own cells, T cells or NK cells, if are activated, can kill cancer cells. And this gamma oryzanol is basically an activator of NK cells which keeps the cancer cells at check. It not only works through NK cell but also it inhibits angiogenesis. It means it cuts the supply for the cancer cells to grow, because if you don't get anything, you don't get food, the cancer cells will not grow. Activation of macrophages and increasing your body's own immunity to gather the strength to kill cancers. And this is what the result has been. People have been harnessing the utility of a T cell through immune checkpoint inhibitors. So in a nutshell, this product promises to prevent cancers, and certain studies across 2012, 13 and 15 has shown it helps in regressing the prostate cancer cells as well. And it is just not one study, it is the studies has been done across patient subsets, across ethnicities and across nations like USA, Italy, Europe, Switzerland and many more places. People have been trying to find out the perfect solution for preventing cancer, and we might be just be closer by using this gamma oryzanol as an antioxidant which is recovered from rice bran and which is not so expensive as well, and it is going to help us in prevention of cancer, because we know prevention is better than cure.